Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that's becoming increasingly important in the business world: project management and sustainability. As we know, project management is all about planning, executing, and delivering successful projects. But how is it connected to sustainability? Let's find out. To start, let's define what sustainability means. Sustainability is the ability to meet the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. In other words, it's about finding a balance between economic, social, and environmental factors. Now, let's see how project management is connected to each of these pillars. First, let's talk about the economic pillar. Project management is all about maximizing efficiency and minimizing waste. By doing so, projects are completed on time and within budget. This, in turn, leads to higher profits and a stronger bottom line for the company. However, sustainability is not just about maximizing profits. It's also about creating value for all stakeholders involved. That's why project managers must consider the social and environmental impact of their projects. Let's move on to the social pillar. Projects can have a significant impact on communities and society as a whole. Project managers must ensure that their projects are socially responsible and that they benefit all stakeholders. For example, a construction project can create job opportunities for local residents, improve infrastructure, and enhance the overall quality of life in the community. By involving the community in the project planning process and considering their needs and concerns, project managers can ensure that their projects are socially responsible and sustainable. Finally, let's talk about the environmental pillar. Projects can have a significant impact on the environment. Project managers must ensure that their projects are environmentally responsible and that they minimize their carbon footprint. For example, a construction project can have a significant impact on the environment if not planned and executed properly. By using sustainable materials, minimizing waste, and reducing energy consumption, project managers can ensure that their projects are environmentally responsible and sustainable. So, as we can see, project management is connected to sustainability in many ways. By considering the economic, social, and environmental impact of their projects, project managers can create value for all stakeholders and ensure that their projects are sustainable in the long run. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and comment your views on this topic of project management and sustainability. See you next time.